Got all home.
Chooky beat.
You're about to see how the throttle body and the turbo's coming out. If you still have more time.
Boy got the supercharger out. Top job. Right here. Clean it up. I talked to the people. They say I can drop it off tomorrow morning, the supercharger, and possibly get it during the evening. But I might get it on Saturday because you know I got work tomorrow. Charger off. Dirty. I'm gonna clean it up. It's a new pulley versus the stock one. You can see the size difference. Pretty much go around it. So size difference, way smaller. You can see why I was spinning faster. This thing is dirty. Clean that bad boy up. Take it to the little high performance shop in the morning. New pulley on. As you can see right here, they grinded the snout down to be able to fit it on there. There's the old one. I thought pulling it off that they were going to damage this, but they actually didn't. So in case I want to take it off, put the old one back on there. I got this done at American High Performance. Can't wait to have my car back together working so I can see how that works out. But right now I'm in a freaking Ford. Yeah. Gotta change the coupler on that side. The high performance said. Yeah. On there. Sandra. File stem is pretty clean in there. I can't turn on the light, but they clean. Got the fuel rail out. All the gaskets, supercharger gaskets. Boy over there, he working. Oh, we got the, alright. Oh, that's clean too. Working. Supercharger, all the other parts. Injector O-rings. All these injectors. Yes, some of them somewhat bad. Kind of loose. And then I see the 12 pinholes that like says at the top. So big is right. One. These little dampers, said that's good. Ooh. Got a gasket under that. I'll soon be back to you. We'll be back to you, baby. Hopefully this weekend, if this damn EGR pipe comes.
I'll be able to put the turbocharger and the two size intake. The last
Fuel
thing
rails
is gonna
on.
be mess it up. Does it matter or doesn't matter?
I don't think it matters. Pipe. This is like it was getting ready to pop off itself. The way how it's so fat down here. Damn. Supercharger. No more play in it. It's gaskets.
Nothing right there in the truck.
Change all the gaskets. I got the intercoolers back in. Here's that hose snap, new design. Oh, it's expensive as hell. Chevy SS in the shop. This car 3 weeks without her. Supercharger air. What was it? 3 screws? 4 screws? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So 2 up front and 1 in the back.
That's it, that little one right there.
And that one. That one's on this
Two
side.
right there. That's gonna be helpful.
Yeah, the supercharger producer. Hey, more play. Oh, just a stock pulley. The new one. See how big that one is compared to that. The pulley on it now is a 2.5. So it's rated that one is going to give me an extra 30 plus to the wheels. But who knows? We'll see. Just can't wait to drive this sucker, man. Big size difference. Open the EGR pipe, which is connected to the rear of this. I guess you would call it throttle intake. See the pipe right there? Try to angle it in there. Rear intake in. Now you tighten up the EGR pipe. Tight squeeze. These were filled. These are old parts. Old hose. So that was coming off. Old gaskets. Got the fuel injector O-rings. The old manifold gaskets. It's the intercooler. With an old bottom, I think. These are old top. To the intercooler. Try every gasket. Just got this box. All the coolant hoses.
How?
70% done, almost. That's pretty much it. Just these, air tape, coolant hoses at the front.
The thermostat is facing down.
Tight, ain't it? Everything back in the car, just a recap of what we did. All gaskets replaced, intake gaskets, did all the fuel injector O-rings, put a smaller 2.5 pulley, cleaned everything up, hooked the battery back up. I already primed it. The needle was going from there to there, but we primed it like 3 times. Keep knowing to keep fuel going to the engine. It's the moment of truth.
Go ahead, Nicolas. Fire it out.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm gonna check the fuel trims too. Old auxiliary pump. I think it's called that intercooler pump. We tested, no power show. Didn't make no noise, no suction, no nothing. We tested the new one, which is the Bosch 10 series. Heard that one fire up. That pump is located on the left side, pretty much right behind the fog light up in here. It's pretty easy to get to. You see the hose that we had to take off to get to it. And it's a connector right here for it. We gotta solder the new connector to the old wiring, because this one didn't come with the wire attached to it like that one. So, let's see. That pump was not working at all. It was cold to the touch after a 5-10 minute drive. Soldering the wires. The black and red is positive, brown and black I think is negative. Put it in there. So YouTube, it was 3 weeks without this car. Car was just sitting in the shop. Had one of my fuel injectors, number 8, fail on me. And to get to that injector, you gotta pull the entire supercharger off, both intercoolers. Well, not both, well yeah, pretty much both, but you gotta get the fuel rail out. It is a bitch to get to. So you can see here, stupid design, but both intercoolers sit at the top of the motor. Fuel injector 8 is the one that sits directly right there. So to get to it, everything, the whole top of the motor has to come out. So since I had to do that, I decided to replace every single gasket on this car. Intake gaskets, the adaptive intake gasket, I believe it's called, that sits a part of the connection part to have these sit upright. Supercharger gaskets in the back, throttle body gaskets. Coolant hoses, the one that runs under the supercharger that everybody hates, the one that runs alongside of the supercharger. Got a new pulley put on there. As you can see, the snout shaved down a bit right here. It's a 2.5 pulley from Euro Toys, and that pulley gives this car a lot of power. But like I said, it's been sitting in the shop 3 weeks. Finally got her back. Finally got her back, baby. Hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.
Chooky beat.
2.5 pulley.